Another certificate of completion is given to Meritan M. Balato. Congratulations. Julian S. Borleo. Kamu doon ito, Ma'am Sir. Arigel Casinillo. Donna P. Collado. Certificate of completion is presented to Brent Brian A. Cubero. Crystal May B. Daggio. Josue C. Daniel. Jane. Certificate of completion is given to John Lloyd O. Lonita. Sheila May M. B. Malabo. Jennifer L. Magulong. Certificate of completion is given to May R. Moro. Sheila May Nazo. Lene Rose B. Noval. Another certificate of completion is given to Jocelyn J. Gozon. Wendy Grace R. Goyo. Charlene O. Pasaylo. Wasteland Pasahe. And Kimberly Ann P. Perez. Okay, requesting all the interns to please be in front together with